Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So I need Zabbix first. I don't know. The DevOpsSchool is still syncing.
So how will you be troubleshooting it?
Yeah, let me power on and see how. Yeah, it's working now. It's fine.
Okay.
And in the meantime, let me power on my Active Directory. So look like it's done. Root and Zabbix, right?
Yes.
Zabbix.
You enter Zabbix log.
Oh, okay. IP DDL.
It was IADDR space.
No, sorry, IP. DDL.
Show.
Space 161.
Okay. You can open that in the web portal.
192.168.1.161. Okay, so
So you
admin
admin.
and Zabbix.
A will be capital.
Which for admin is a capital?
Yes.
Is sensitive? All right. Okay.
Okay. So first of all, let me explain you the tabs which are there. So this is the main dashboard in which all your infra will be located. So here in host availability, you will get how many hosts are available and are under monitoring.
Okay.
So here you will get the total number of devices that you have added,
Hmm.
and out of it, how many are available, how many are not under monitoring, and with unknown status.
Okay, that I understand. Yeah.
Then for problems as well, according to the threshold, the alert will be categorized
Yeah, understand.
in severity. Then in the problems tab, you will get the entire problems which are occurring
Yeah,
for
just give
all.
me 1 second. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Because I have some subnet in my vCenter. So let me power on my vCenter. There, that's how I can.
Yes, yes. You can power the vCenter and create a user for monitoring.
Yeah, because let me power on some machine. Power on, and then because for sample, if we add, we need to. Just interrupt me a little bit. So the reason I'm checking this, you see, here is 65. So this is the 65 subnet. Another one I have one subnet, another. So and also I have a different VLAN. So I want to keep
Okay.
everything is on, and then
So from this particular Zabbix machine, this particular subnet will be able to access, right?
hmm?
The Zabbix machine has access to this particular vCenter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, why? This is already exists. Um, PSC, then the result is coming. Okay, we can go.
Okay, okay. So here in Coding, you will get all the list of alerts that have been generated.
Sorry, can you say a little bit louder because it's very slow.
Okay. So in this particular problems tab, you
Yeah.
will get all the alerts which have been generated, and you can download a CSV file of these alerts as well.
I don't understand. Like, if any machine has issue, it's gonna show on the problems.
Yes, yes. So recent problems will be showcased in this tab. Then in problems tab, you will get which alerts which are not resolved as of now.
What you said?
In show box, I choose problems instead of recent problems.
Okay.
So here you will get the alerts which are not resolved and are currently in problem state only.
Okay. So I think it's better if you describe, if you can add some subnet and add some machine, and after that maybe it will discover some problem, then it will be better to show. Right now it's no data.
Yes, yes. So if you want, let us configure the VMware monitoring first. Okay.
Yeah.
So in configuration, we'll be adding that particular vCenter host. So as you can see, one device is already there.
Mhm.
I need to create a new host. So host name you can enter according to the host names of that device or as per the understanding.
So what is the host group and host?
So host name is, you can give those particular devices a name. So you will be, get to know that which is that device.
Okay, so
So
I can add my vCenter here and host name vCenter. It's not like mandatory. It has to be the same name as my DNS, right?
no, 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 it is not mandatory.
It's just an inventory name.
Yeah, yeah. So here you write the name. If you want that visible name should be something else, for which you will
What's
get
the
the exceptions and all.
what is the visible name?
Uh, Whenever we are installing the agents now, so the host name should be similar to the exact host name of that particular OS.
So exact host name means whatever machine name I assign on my Active Directory is supposed to be the same, right? Like for example, okay, let me see. So my
Yeah.
vCenter,
For vCenter, it is not mandatory, but whenever you are installing an agent, it is mandatory.
Okay. So now I can put any name.
Yeah, for vCenter, you can put any name.
Okay, and then visible name?
Visible name, you need to add the IP address as well. You can do
IP
that.
address? IP address?
Yes, you can write, sorry.
So
Yeah,
this is my vCenter IP address.
the word here. So like this, you can give names to your devices for better understanding.
Okay.
Then in interfaces, there are multiple interfaces. So if you are installing an agent, then you need to choose this.
So
If you are
agent means
managing
I have to install agent on vCenter.
for vCenter, it is generic. You can use
No,
agent interface as well. You can use SNMP interface as well. It
no,
will
no.
not.
I'm asking if I choose agent, that means I have to install the agent on the host, whatever host I am
Yes,
assigning.
yes, yes.
Okay, and if I
But
was
for vCenter, you
the,
can add it on here only without installing agent.
sorry.
Yeah, for vCenter, any interface is allowed. But when we are installing an agent, we need to choose this particular type only.
I don't know, something problem with your voice, like it's coming loudly and then it's little bit go slowly and then I come back again loud and then go slow and like this.
So in interface, you need to add the IP address only. Okay.
Okay.
Then groups it. You can group n number of devices together.
So
So if you
it's look
yeah,
like I supposed to have a group name first, and then I can put whatever machine I'm going to add, like as a host, I have to put all on this group.
yes, for Windows machines you can create a separate group. For Linux machines you can create a separate group.
So as a stepwise, I think the host group supposed to be first need to be configured.
Yes. So you can create a new group by the name vCenter. Okay, so now we have added two devices, and whenever you want to filter, you need to select that particular group. So if you want to see just the vCenter only, you will select it, you will apply, and it will show you that particular device only. So it is like grouping of devices.
So the other thing is, if I add vCenter, it can only monitor the vCenter host, not in the like because I have a lot of machine inside the vCenter, right? So it's not gonna monitor all the virtual machine, right?
It will be monitoring all the virtual machines which are there.
How? Like
So for each and every device, we need to mention a set of parameters. Okay. So we need to attach a particular template to all the hosts which are there.
Okay.
So whenever I am creating a host on the portal, I need to choose a specific template for it. So as this is a vCenter, I will be choosing this particular template, VMware template.
Okay.
Okay.
So through the template, it will identify all the machine inside the vCenter.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Similarly, for this particular Zabbix server, we have mentioned two templates. So one is its internal monitoring, which is capturing through this template, and the LOH and the Linux monitoring through this template. So as per the machine, we need to choose specific templates for them.
So
Then when we are applying the templates,
so you already applied the template, right?
yeah, but
So
I
now,
have not mentioned the username, password, and other things through which it will identify that particular machine and authenticate and get the values. So here in macros, we'll be adding the username, password. So macros are like variables which can be used to enter your passwords, HNMP communities, and other things. Okay. So here it is asking me that what is the VMware password, what is the VMware URL, and what is the VMware username you have.
okay, so I have to.
You need to change it and add the username here. Okay. Then here you can write the password.
And what is the password? It's here, right?
Yeah. Click on change. Yes. Okay. Now you need to enter the URL for doing API calls.
Okay, so my vCenter URL, right?
So its syntax should be like this.
vCenter server name, then SDK.
Here you need to add the IP address of it.
IP address or my fully qualified domain name.
Yes.
Either one, right?
Remove the bracket which is there.
Yeah. So IP address or fully qualified domain name, either one.
Yes. Yes. Now you can update. Click on update. So here you can see we've added the device. We have attached the template. We have added the username passwords here. Even if you want to, want that other people are not able to see passwords and all, you can hide it. Then there are, 4 discovery rules in which first one will discover all the clusters which are there.
Okay, so just give me a second. Give me a second. So I'm in a host. Then I need to select the center.
Yeah.
And then
Discovery rules.
discover rules. Okay.
So here you can see what all things will it discover. So it is discovering the clusters, the data stores, hypervisors, and VMs.
Yeah, okay.
So this particular polling is done in every 1 hour.
Okay. So if I was to change, then
Then you need to click on this particular discovery.
mhm.
Here you can change the intervals.
So if it is minutes, then say 30 minutes. So 30 M.
Yeah, but recommendation is 1 hour only.
Okay. So discovery VMware cluster type is simple chat.
Yes. Also, if you want to execute these discoveries right now, you can select those discoveries which are there and click on execute now.
Okay.
So instead of 1 hour, it will just check it right now.
Okay.
Okay. So for adding the vCenter, you need to enable vCenter collectors in the backend as well.
Where I have to do that?
So by default, the ISO that we have added, we need to change the configuration from backend also.
Okay. Backend means like Zabbix backend or my vCenter backend.
Zabbix backend.
Okay.
So can you open that?
Okay. So okay.
Yeah. So there's a configuration file for Zabbix.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
There, which is in this path. So this is the configuration file of Zabbix.
Can you copy and paste it to my notepad? Yeah, just paste it here. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, you can
So
minimize
this
that.
is, yeah. So I will be opening this particular configuration file and changing the processes which are there. So these are the parameters which are there that can be tweaked.
What do you do?
I am removing some comments for better performance of the server.
So start pullers 5. You start
The IPMI pillars.
just give me a second, 1 second. Just wait a little bit. I'll be on top. I'm taking class. Okay. So yeah, I need to know like which actually you are changing.
Okay.
To
So
start,
first of all, I changed this value and hash is like comment for it. So I have removed the hash.
so hash miss is committed. It was omitted
It was
before.
commented first. Yes. So I need to uncomment this. It is for the better performance of the server. Okay.
Okay. So
Then I told you IPMI is used for hardware monitoring like hello and all. So we can uncomment this as well.
value was 5 before or it was something else?
It was a 0 first.
What? 0. Okay. So what's the 5 meanings?
It is the number of pre-forked instances like threads. You can increase those threads in the backend.
Yeah. So I just wants to know the concept of number 5. Why it's not 6? Why it's not 4? Why it's 5?
So actually, it depends on the number of device that we are monitoring. So, for example, if I'm running an application, it is consuming some processes, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and in the backend there are threads which are there for each and every application and service. So we are just increasing that particular thread so that the tool works fine when there are n number of requests to it.
So the start pullers unreachable equals to 1. You said it's doing 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then start papers.
No trappers. Here will be, you can read it here, number of pre-forked instances of ICMP fingers. So if there are multiple devices and hundreds and thousands of devices are under monitoring, so the IPME finger should work fine.
Can you copy this one? I start fingers 5
Sure.
from a notepad. And where is the SNMP?
No, SNMP is working fine for that.
Okay.
So here you can see the start Vmware collectors. It is cemented. So by uncommenting it
Can you
and
copy
giving it
this?
a value, I am enabling the vCenter monitoring from the backend. So this is one-time configuration. You can do it uh, when you are installing the Zabbix server. Then here I am mentioning the cache and increasing the size. So currently it is 8 MB cache. Okay.
So is there any limitation, or there's no limitation? Whatever I can.
So here they have given a range that 255K to 2 GB you can mention the cache size.
Okay.
So if the cache size, cache is full, it will give you some errors, or the VMware monitoring will be delayed. So
Okay.
to be
How
on
I
the
can?
safe, I'm mentioning it 50 MB.
Okay. So this cache is 50 MB, and if it is full, then
Then you need to increase the size here from the backend. But 50 MB it will take years to fill.
is enough, right? For on that. And can you copy it? It's a lot. We have another history. This one. Now you miss another one. You miss another one. You miss one.
Sorry.
Yeah. So the history index cache, I think you missed that one. History index cache. History index cache size. Oh, we have index cache.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have mentioned.
Okay. Copy.
Then there is a timeout value. I have increased it to 30 seconds.
Max.
Now I'm going to save this configuration file by,
WQ.
escape and WQ
So you
exclamation.
hit escape and then WQ.
Escape, then colon, WQ exclamation.
For save.
Then after doing the changes, I need to restart the application.
Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Then W
Colon
colon
WQ.
Q exclamation.
Yes. So it actually means write into it.
Okay.
Now after we have saved the configuration file,
Mm-hmm.
I need to restart the Zabbix server so that the changes that we have done will reflect.
Okay.
So this is the command.
For register services.
Yes, for restarting the Zabbix application. I can check the status by this command, and it is showing me in running state. Now I will execute all these 4 discoveries.
Yeah, while you are going, just let me know because I need to learn. So
Yeah, I was just executing it right now. That's all.
let me check my BizCenter is available or not.
Yes, because uh, it is showing that it is not connected.
But it looks like my BizCenter is not starting.
Also, if we don't want to add the vCenter,
Sorry?
uh, if we don't want to enter the vCenter now, we can add individual hosts.
Yeah. Just let me quickly check my vCenter. Yeah, everything looks like it's working fine. I don't know. Let me. Yeah, some services stop. That's why. Hmm. So in here, some services stop. That's why.
Okay, okay. Also, as I was telling you, we can add a specific ESX host as well if we don't want to do the vCenter integration.
Okay. Show me the way. And so hypervisor is supposed to be.
Yeah, so individually you can enter that as well. You can
Okay,
create
create
a
host.
host.
So then name me like
You can
ESX.
write, sorry,
Oh,
yeah, ESX host. Then you can mention the IP address here for identification.
so ESX host. Let me do that.
Hmm.
Yes. Value name is anything, right?
Yeah, you can write the ESXi host, then hyphen, then IP address.
Individually, one by one.
Yeah, for identification, you can mention the IP address as well.
So this name will be visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Dot and group.
You can create a new group for this ESX host.
I cannot do like this.
Yes, you can mention all ESX hosts in a single group. Uh, yes,
Six
now
host.
here, enter the IP address again. Okay, now we will attach a
And
template. If you want to attach the template from here only, you can do that. And then click on add.
here.
Write VM first.
Hmm?
Choose VM. Choose this VMware template.
Yeah, it should be BM or hypervisor, right?
No, no, you will be choosing VMware template only.
This one?
Yes. Now in macros, you need to check inherited and host macros and change these values. You need to enter username and password for this specific host only.
Okay. So URL,
URL will be of host only.
first name, like
The same syntax which is below, just the IP
okay.
address in the middle of ESX host.
But yesterday doesn't have maybe SDK. I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, SDK will be there. It is by default.
VMware username.
Okay.
Add,
Now
right?
you can validate the values which you have written. Once if you want, then you need to click on add.
Oh, it already discovered my host.
Yeah, yeah, it has already discovered. So the current host that you have added, this one,
So now it's gonna be through the
it will be
vCenter.
for this as well, I guess. This is one of the hosts of vCenter.
So through the vCenter, I get this one.
Yeah, so you can disable it as of now.
Okay, I don't need like the whole time.
Yeah, yeah. So it will be like you are monitoring it 2 times. So
Okay. So
you will
if I go back to host again,
yeah, let me explain it to you. So these are the hosts of yours. Okay.
vCenter.
Yes, yes. So currently you can see there are 16 items which are
Okay,
there
now I
that
can
we
see.
are
Oh, I can. Okay. So how I can see the host, all the hosts?
Yeah, yeah. Let me tell you one second.
Under the vCenter, under the vCenter, which
No, no. Under the vCenter, you will not be able to get. Here, you have added a single host in which it is
okay,
capturing that data. And if you want to see the hypervisors which are there, so by default,
no, you remember it's we saw like all are showing here. How I can see all together. Okay, that's what I also see. So in which options I have to go to see all this like this?
yeah, yeah. So these are all the VMs which have been discovered. Okay.
And also this VM discover.
Yeah. So for which it is written discover VMs, it is a VM. And for the devices that it is written hypervisors, it is a hyper like this.
Okay, yeah, I got it. It's a different color.
Yeah. So if
But
you want
master
to see
host
the
2,
real-time health
master
of,
host 2 is disabled.
yeah, this particular host is disabled, but through vCenter the discovery is done, and it is been discovered through
No, I said discover VM hypervisor. Yeah,
yeah, manual creation of this host we have disabled it, but through vCenter it is coming.
yeah, the one I'm asking. So the hypervisor, I have total 3 hypervisors. Okay, so
This is one, this is two.
okay, my host, this is one, another is 01. So 01, I don't have anything, and I have another one who called hypervisor master host 2. Where is my master host 2?
Yeah, just below it.
Oh, this one. Okay.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan, and grow your skills immensely.
So it will discover all the hypervisors, all the VMs. And if you want to see real-time monitoring, we need to go to monitoring tab and latest data. And here you can select that particular device for which you want to see information.
But here not showing everything.
So for your 01 host, these are the 5 VMs which are there. Okay. If you want to see for any other host, it will show all the VMs. So as Zabbix is working, I am selecting that, clicking on apply. So it will show information of that VM only. If you want to see all devices, so just reset it. No filtration is done,
Mhm.
and here like you will get the name of that VM and the values that it is capturing, whether it is powered on or not, what is the CPU utilization, memory utilization, you know, uptime of this particular VM. So currently it is discovering all the data. So one by one it will be. Also it is showing that multiple data is there. So multiple phases are there.
Mhm.
Okay. And if you want to see all the things in a single page only, you can go to user settings and you can change the rows per page. So I'm making it 1000.
So now his dashboard is showing a lot of things. So can you go to the dashboard?
Yeah. So, so one by one, it will be capturing the data of the VMs.
And now it has, so some of the item is blinking. What does it mean?
So the particular duration of this alert is very less. Because of it, it is. So these are new alerts which are blue.
So yeah, so the host is like blinking is powered off.
Yes, yes. It is written in the bracket that uptime is less than 10 minutes. So that's why.
That means it was trying to discover, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So how I
Uh,
know which one is up and down from this dashboard?
yeah, so you are creating a map for it?
I'm just like clicking here and there because of last time I created at my office. I send you a picture. It shows all the server icon.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Let
So
me
I
show you
can,
one dashboard
huh?
which will help you a lot.
So for decenter, like say decenter.
Let's do one thing. I will help you in the dashboard, and it is the best dashboard for Vmware. For example, I'm creating a ESX dashboard. Okay.
No, like I cannot see all together if I.
You want to see all the VMs in a
Yeah,
single. Okay, okay.
whatever machine I have on this center, I want to see
Hmm.
everything together.
Okay, let's do one thing.
Not a problem.
So here, this is a blank dashboard. You can click on edit. Here you can change the grid size to 20 by 20 so that you are able to work on it. Uh, then first, what we can do is we can create the shapes. Okay. So in this particular box, we will be adding the VMs for your first hypervisor.
Okay.
And in the below box, we'll be adding for the second hypervisor.
So you just take add a shape, then you select it, copy it.
Yes, yes, I'm back. One, sorry. So currently we have added two boxes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But we need to add a third box as well. And then I need to increase the size of this particular dashboard. So I will be changing the properties of this particular map, and I will be increasing the size of it. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
have made it 1500. So what is your main hypervisor? One is your main hypervisor, which contains
Actually, now two hypervisor is running. One is not startup.
and
So
what
how you
about
gonna
the
do it?
third one? How many VMs are there?
Third one has a couple of VM. So you just select the box and then copy and paste, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
so that the sizes of the boxes are same.
Okay.
Okay. Then I will be creating a map element.
Mm-hmm.
So this is an icon which is there,
Mm-hmm.
but I need to map it to a particular host group. A single host can also be mapped, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and a host entire group can also be mapped.
Okay.
Then in show, I need to mention all the host group elements because for one ESX host, there is one group. I'm making it custom size. The label, as I told you, there are multiple macros. So here I will be adding a default macro which is there, which is by, developed by Zabbix only, which is host dot name. So it will capture all the host names of that particular group. So this one is your first.
Yeah. Can you select the member host 202 member of the third one? Yeah.
Okay, I have choose that particular host group. Now I can choose the icons which are there. So these are the images which I can, choose here.
Yeah. I think 96 is good. 96 is good. Whatever default one.
96 will be a big image. Let me choose 64. Then accordingly we can, change it. I will click on apply.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will close it.
Then update, right?
As your ESX2 has multiple VMs, I am
All right.
increasing the size of that box.
Okay.
Then I will be placing this particular icon here and I will be dragging it so that it covers this particular surface.
Okay.
Okay. Then in the top for identification of this particular box, you can enter the name of that particular hypervisor.
Okay. So it's a master host 02.
Okay. Then you can
Mm-hmm.
choose the font size as well. I am making it 15. Color will be black, center, and vertical line will be top. I will click on apply and the name will come in the top.
Mm-hmm.
If I will select middle, it will be in the middle, but when the VMs will be added, it will not be visible. Okay. That's why I have choose top here.
Yeah. Got it.
If you want any background color, you can choose that as well.
Mm-hmm.
If you want, if you don't want, I
It's
can
fine.
choose
Sir,
it.
leave it. Leave it.
Okay. I will click on apply close and I will update it that how the VMs are coming, whether they are overlapping or not. Okay. So currently these VMs are overlapping. So I will be increasing the size of the box as well. Let's do one.
So you can say here. And what's actually the other information I don't need. I just need the name. Can you go back?
Okay, you don't want the alert. You just want to know that which one is in problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I choose number of problems and expand the most critical one. So I'm choosing only number of problems. So it will show you the count.
Okay. And then, yeah, that's what I just need to know.
Okay.
So it's not going to show like down, up, other issue.
It will show you in problem state. Okay.
The problem is it can be, maybe the machine is power on, but it's,
Yes, but here as I have choose just show the count of it. So it will show me that. Even if you want to see powered on, powered off, I will tell you how to do that.
because I need to know, like, based on the, if, like, problem can have a multiple type of problem.
Yes.
So if it is a multiple type of problem, it should show like just problem, and one is down, it should directly down. Then I can understand, okay, this machine is directly down. And problem is it can be a lot of things.
Yeah. No issues. I will tell you how to take
Okay.
that. So Sam, I got a call from DevOps school. Okay.
Mhm.
And they are saying they have another session at 9:30. So they want that if we are extending the session now, it should be till 9:30 IST.
Okay. Actually, we didn't inform them. We're gonna take.
Okay.
Now it's, yeah.
Okay, so you are able to know which one is in okay state and which one is in problem. Also, whenever I've mentioned the host name, the macros of it, I can mention whether it is powered on or not. So let me tell you how to do it.
No, not this one.
So there is an item for power state.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will be copying this particular thing. And adding it in the label only.
Okay. So why you have like
One second. Okay.
yeah, it's now it's done.
Yeah, so here you are getting the power state as well of all the VMs. Okay.
So if you
You
go
want
now,
some values as well. For example, uptime. Also, if you want to see, okay.
Mhm.
So you just need to copy that particular thing.
Yeah, but you added something in the front.
So here you can mention you can write as well that uptime. Then after that as well you can mention the whole syntax, and instead of power state just write uptime here, click on apply.
Update.
So you will get uptime value here only. So which all VMs are up, it is telling that 1 hour 20 minutes, it was up 1 hour 20, like that you will get.
Okay, that's cool. So if you go now on dashboard, what will it will be show?
So this is like dashboard which is there, which I have created. You can similarly create it for
Yeah.
your
So yeah,
nearby
rest
provider.
two part. Rest two part is my homework. I'll do that.
Okay, and same dashboard, this particular map, can be showcased here as well. So in this dashboard, you can edit it, add a widget, and here you can select that map.
Um,
You can give it a name, and then you can select that particular map, vCenter, then add, and then you need to resize it for a bigger view.
okay. But it's showing here not full page. The images.
Yeah, you need to drag it down to make it big. Can you please drag it down? I'm having issues with it.
What? Drag it. How I can make this one big?
Yeah, you just need to drag this down. It will automatically, uh, you know,
Yeah, I understand. But And also, if I want to move this one here,
Yeah, you can drag it upwards, it will come.
say here.
Yeah, that's why I was saying that we can make multiple dashboards for each and every host,
Okay.
so that it's not a big image. Because of big image, it you know,
Mhm.
like that.
So I can create dashboard 1, dashboard 2.
Yeah, you can create multiple dashboards which are, helpful for you for better understanding.
Okay.
So you can create a VMware dashboard, you can then create host-wise dashboards and all.
And in here, there is no slideshow, right?
Sorry.
Slideshow is not here. Slideshow.
Yeah, this is the main dashboard. Therefore, the slideshow is not there.
No, because on the older version of Zabbix, it has option under the monitoring. It has the option slideshow.
Yeah. So that part comes under screen. When I'm creating a screen, for example, test, I'm creating a test screen. Okay.
Recenter.
I guess they have, removed the support for slideshows.
Yeah, that's what.
Because there was an option right on the top that you want a slideshow or not.
Because in my previous organization, I saw they on the big screen they just run
Yeah,
they run the slideshow, so it's coming like network devices, and then it shows for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, servers.
yeah. They have removed the support for slideshow in current version. Other thing that can be added is you can go to user settings. Okay. There is a messaging tab in which front end messaging is there. So whenever an alert will be there, it will be popping it up on the screen. Also, there will be like sounds as well.
Okay.
So whenever you will get an alert, you will get a sound for it. Okay, so if you want to test it, uh, any VM which is currently up, you can power it off, and you will get an alert for it.
Uh, or if I power on anything, then
Yeah, if you will power it on as well, it will be a recovery, and you will get a recovery notification as well.
okay.
So here I have enabled all these values.
Okay.
Even you can change these dashboards accordingly. And instead of this icon also, now if you want other icons as well, you can import those icons and we can use it. So for example, if you want a VM icon which is there, or you want to add ESX icon, okay,
Okay.
you can download that particular image.
So for VM, ESXi, I can do the different way.
Yeah, for ESXi, you can, attach a specific icon to it.
Okay, let me check one. Let's say ESXi icon.
Yeah. Yeah, this icon looks fine, the second one.
So
Let me help you. One sec. For testing purpose, let's take this particular icon only. Okay.
okay,
As uh, DevOps team also have said that by 9:30 we should close the session.
save images. Yeah, desktop is fine.
Okay, now can you go to your desktop?
Sorry.
Can you open your desktop? I need to change the sizing of that image.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
What do you want to see?
I will be changing the size of this particular image. As this is a big image, right?
Yeah.
So first we should change the size of it. This is also a big image. I think this icon will be fine. Okay. Now we need to import it on the tool. So I need to go to administration, then journal settings,
Mhm.
then here instead of GUI, I will be going to images. So these are the images which are here, for which if you have a router or a switch, you can change those icons. I will create an icon for VMware. I will choose that image.
Desktop.
What was the name of that?
Do the which one? I think this one.
Okay. I will add that image. Then I need to go to the map. I will edit it.
So now go down. No, not here.
Yeah, instead of icon default server, I will choose the icon which I have imported, this one.
Okay.
I can close it, I can update it. and the icons will be changed for that. So you can add your own images on it. One other thing is there, if you want to change the GUI as well. So currently it is showing white and blue, which is the default theme. You can choose a dark theme as well. And all the dashboards will change and all. So this is the theme which is there. Okay, Saf.
So now next time when you're gonna sit together again? Next class
Sorry?
is you Tuesday, right?
Okay, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow you are not available.
Sorry?
Yeah, tomorrow and day after tomorrow you are not available, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So let's do one thing to complete this
And
particular map. Is there?
Monday I
Or,
have off.
okay, okay.
So Monday means my Monday off means my Monday morning. That means your Monday night. If you want, we can do a session.
Okay, so on Monday morning you will be available.
Yeah, Monday I don't have office.
Okay, okay.
Or do one thing, like we can continue on like your Tuesday morning and mine Monday night.
No
Because
issue. We will
Saturday Sunday
connect.
I'm busy. Saturday Sunday I'm busy. Monday daytime I can practice whatever you showed me today. And I can make myself ready for Tuesday class.
Okay, okay, no issue. We will connect on Tuesday only then. Just let me know on WhatsApp only that
So
how to.
shortly, just for my practice, I want to do one thing. Map, did edit map, right?
Yeah,
And then here, if I want to add something, so
yeah, you can.
before I do that, do one thing. Registration, Java, new update. Okay, that's
You like this particular theme?
yeah, that one like
Okay.
more like so screen. Sorry, not map.
vCenter.
Center.
Yeah, and now
You added your host. If I want to add SX host only,
only the 3 hosts which are there.
yeah. So under the vCenter, if I have 50 hosts, then I want to just show only the SX host.
Okay, okay. So for example, this is the new tab which is there. Okay. Then click on map element. You added a new icon. Let's
Map
add.
element.
Yes. Uh,
How
as
you
you have 3 ESX hosts, you can do one thing. Click on it. Instead of image, you will be choosing host group.
image, right?
Sorry, no. you will be choosing host group. I told you what should be the name of that. It should be host.name. Okay.
Mhm.
So by default, it will capture the host name from the backend. And here there is another group by the name hypervisor.
Okay.
So you need to select that, and icon also you can choose. And I told you to show host group elements,
Mhm.
then custom size, click on apply, and then you are able to see the blue shadow which is there in the back.
Yeah.
So if you have 3 hosts, you can uh, drag it down so that the 3 hosts come separately. They are not overlapping. Then you can update it, and then when you are coming updating it, it will show you those icons. What is the name that you chose for
Uh,
your picture?
Buster.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Yeah, yeah. We are
So
just ready
ELS
to
is my
further 2 minutes will be
data
there.
center name
Okay.
on the center.
Yeah. So I will be choosing this particular group in the map.
Okay.
So currently they are overlapping. You can increase from left to right, increase the size of the box,
Mhm.
and it will work fine.
Where I can put the leveling in there.
Sorry.
Top, okay.
I'm just giving it a name.
Why it has a big gap?
Because of the alignment only. Once we will, change it and it
Because
will work.
for like fitting 3 server, the box size is enough.
Hmm. Yeah, we can do the changes on the map as well. It's not an issue. We just need to change the sizing and all.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.